Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by duplicating the file and locking a master frame so you can revert if needed. Create named color styles for background, surface, and text so switching is systematic. Once done, convert components to use those styles instead of local fills. This prevents manual edits later. Make sure text layers inherit a token or style. You're establishing a single source of truth. This small discipline saves a ton of time when flipping to dark mode. Now you change the color tokens. Pick a dark surface and reduce brightness, then invert or shift primary colors while maintaining contrast ratios for readability. Once you update tokens, swap text styles from dark on light to light on dark versions, and verify hierarchy for headings versus body. Next, edit components, remove or soften shadows and tweak elevation colors so they look natural on dark surfaces. Make sure interactive states, hover, active, disabled, remain distinct. Consistency prevents confusion across screens. Finish by prototyping the key user flows and testing accessibility contrast. Correct any labels or icons that lose visibility. Export assets with a clear naming scheme that includes theme suffixes and double-check SVGs for hard-coded colors. If things go wrong, inspect nested components for overridden fills or local styles. Those are the usual culprits, and reapply the token-based styles. Once fixed, sync your library so the dark mode updates propagate. That completes the switch and keeps the design system healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.